In this video, we are going to write a function that our enemy take damage. So for doing that, we need to go to our enemy, and here we make a new function. Public void take damage. And after parentheses, inside of the parentheses, int so damage. We want current HP minus equal to damage. How much the damage is? We want to reduce it from our HP. Then if current HP less than equal 0, then we want to our enemy should die. So die function actually so let's make first die function void die, and what will happen, we want to destroy the game object. Destroy game object. Now here, when the current HP is less than equal to 0, we want our enemy die. So now let's save it. We need to go to our game. So in our game, we need to go to our prefabs bullet. Here we need to add a new script. Let's make the script, create a C# script, and I will call it bullet. Then I will add the bullet to our bullet. So bullet script. So now let's open the bullet script, and I will delete start function, update function. Here in the top, I want to write public int and damage of our bullet. Next variable will be lifetime. So public float and lifetime. The next one will be private float shoot time. Then we make a function void unenable. Inside of that, shoot time is equal to time.time. Current time. So as you remember, the last time we make that our bullet should just be disabled and not destroyed. And now here when we enable it, and our shoot time will be current time, and we can use that bullet again. Now we make a function here. And the function here will be update function. Inside of that, we want so disable the bullet after lifetime. second or just lifetime. Then here under that, if time dot time minus shoot time is bigger than or equal to lifetime, then we want to disable the bullet. So game object dot set active false. So now we coming down here, we make new function, and that is until we enter and so for the info, did we hit the player? If other.compare tag is equal to player, then here other should get the other.get component, and the component will be our player. Then we need to get the take damage, which we didn't make it for our player. So let's do it now. So let's go to our enemy, copy this line. So not this line, this part. And coming to our player, add it here. So now our player has also health and max HP. Coming down. So here also the same as the enemy, we need to just copy these two lines for taking damage. Control C to copy that. Come to the player, you paste it. But I don't want to destroy the player, so I will fill it later for the die function. Just like that, save it, and going back to our bullet. So here, take damage function, and inside of the parentheses, we want to give the damage of the bullet. So now we need to write else if if other.game, Control C, paste it, is instead of player, I will make it enemy. If it's our enemy, then this time also need to copy this line again, paste it, instead of player, we have the enemy script. Now we save it, we need to tag our player and enemy. Here you see compare tag. What is that actually? When we come into the game, I give the damage for 1 on lifetime, I will do it later. So now let's go back here at our player where we have a tag, as you see. So then I will make the tag of player to the player because we don't have anything for the enemy. So we add the new tag here at plus button I will call this one enemy, save it, then click on our enemy and make the tag to enemy. Now let's back to the bullet. Here we need to disable the bullet after he hit the enemy. So game object dot set active false. So after the bullet hit the enemy, it should be deactivated. Here I give info, disable the bullet after hit the target. Target can be player or our enemy. So now let's save it and go back to the game again. So everything is set up. When we hit player or enemy, the player or enemy will get the damage, and after the enemy get the damage, or enemy or player get the damage, the bullet will be deactivated. So save it, come back to the game, prefab bullet again. I will make the lifetime around 3 seconds. So back, and when we hit our player, our enemy, as you see, when our enemy has, where's the HP of our enemy? There. As you see, the current HP of the enemy will be reduced, and when we hit it to 0, he will be get destroyed. And let's see if he hit us actually. Current health. Yeah, the current health also work for us too. See, the enemy shoot at us, we are at minus 110 because we didn't make any function to destroy. But later when we make UI, we will use that. So for now, we don't write any code there. Now here when I hit the enemy, and the enemy will be destroyed. And as you see, the bullet will be deactivated and activated again. Okay. Now I'm out of the bullet, I cannot hit anything else. So now everything's work fine. Next video we are going to work on the pickups for the health and armor